a delicious and easy-to-prepare snack for the barbecue. The onion and garlic filling with parsley enriches the taste and encourages you to reach for another. Join me in making barbecued onion and parsley mushrooms. Ingredients: 3 large mushrooms around 300 grams, 1 onion around 80 grams, 1 garlic clove, 20 grams unsalted butter, a handful of parsley around 5 grams, salt to taste. Notes: to prepare this dish, choose mushrooms with the largest cups possible. You can use portobello mushrooms for the barbecue, found in most supermarkets. Kitchen accessories: frying pan, knife, small knife, chopping board, tablespoon, wooden spoon, garlic crusher, press. Directions: preparing the mushrooms and onion. Rinse the mushrooms and peel if necessary. Cut off the stems of the mushrooms, add the cups, set the cups aside. Finally, chop the mushroom stems and leave them on the chopping board. Peel the onion and chop finely. Leave on the chopping board. Preparing the filling: put the hob on medium heat. Melt the butter in a frying pan. Add the chopped onion and chopped mushroom stems. Occasionally stir with a wooden spoon. Fry long enough for the liquid from the mushrooms to evaporate. This can take around 5 minutes. Peel the garlic. Crush the garlic into the pan. Mix well. Fry the garlic with the onion and mushrooms for around 1 minute. Turn off and remove from the heat and set the pan aside. Preparing the parsley: rinse the parsley and chop finely. Leave on the chopping board and set aside. Preparing grilled mushrooms: season the filling with salt. Load the filling into the mushroom cups. Sprinkle with parsley. Barbecue for around 20 minutes. To serve: serve the mushrooms with barbecued sausages, barbecued baguettes with garlic butter and herbs, and other barbecue side dishes. You can find this and many other delicious recipes on my website Savory Bites and Tidbits. There you will also find handy recipe cards that you can download and print. They are designed to help you build your own personal cookbook. Simply scan the QR code or visit Savory Bites and Tidbits online to explore more. Thank you for this episode and see you in the next one. Smacznego, friends!